Give it back!
No.
Why are you taking my stuff away?
Why? Because I'm your father, and I can.
You're just a bully. I don't want a dad like you.
You always get zeros. I don't want a son like you.
Why don't you leave me alone?
Say that again?
Just leave me alone forever!
Fine. If you get a score over 60 using the brains in your own head, then I will leave you alone.
It's a deal.
It's a deal.
I thought you'd never pass a test. Good.
This is great.
Where's Dickie? There was an accident.